Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change row height in Excel for all rows. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then create your spreadsheet or open your default spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my spreadsheet. Now I change all rows heights on this sheet. Select this all row on this sheet, then go to home menu, then click format drop down menu. Now you can see here are many options. Now I choose row height option. You can see here are row height. You can increase or decrease row height. Now I increase row height 50 to 42, 50 to 42, then press OK. Now you can see I change row height in Excel for all rows very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.